Hello students, myself Deepa Batra. Welcome to my channel Easy Studies. Today we'll do exercise 1.1 of class 8 maths. So let's start. The first question is, using appropriate properties, find minus 2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 multiply by 1 upon 6. Okay students, this is our question. So, firstly we need to see the question very carefully. Here, we will rearrange all the terms. Here we can see that 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is common in these two terms. Isn't it so? Now, we need to put these two terms together. So, let's do it. Okay students? Okay. One thing you should keep in mind, when we rearrange the terms, then we are using commutative properties. Okay? So, here we'll write by commutative property. Okay? So, here we can see that 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is common in these two terms. Okay? Now we can write it as 3 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. Here 3 upon 5 multiplied by minus 2 upon 3. When we write 3 upon 5 outside, then we'll write the remaining term of this whole term. Okay? Here, what we have left, minus 2 upon 3. So here, we'll write minus 2 upon 3 within bracket. Okay? And again minus. And 3 upon 5 we have write outside because 3 upon 5 is common in these two terms. Okay? Now, what we have left, 1 upon 6. So, we'll write 1 upon 6 here. Okay? And plus 5 upon 2 will write as it is. Okay? Because we need to use appropriate properties of rational numbers, so here we can see that we are using distributive property. Isn't it so? What distributive property says? A, B minus C within bracket A multiplied by B minus A multiplied by C. Okay. Here we will write, because we are using distributive property here, so it is necessary to write by distributive property. Okay. Now, listen carefully students. Here we have rearranged the terms. Okay, we have written this and this term together because we are using rearranging. So, we are using the commutative property here. So, I have written here by commutative property. These terms are together. Okay. Now, because of distributive property of rational number, we can write this whole term as this. Okay. Here A is 3 upon 5, B is minus 2 upon 3 and C is 1 upon 6. Okay. So by distributive property, we can write it as like this. Okay. Now just simplify it. Okay. Now we'll solve the terms within bracket. Okay. Take the LCM of denominators, which is 6, and minus 2 multiplied by 3 to the 6. Okay. We'll write numerator as it is, and 6 1 the 6. So we'll write 1 here. Okay. And plus 5 upon 2. Okay. Now just solve it. 3 upon 5 minus 4 minus 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. 3 upon 5, here we'll get minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Now we can write it as 3 upon 5 multiplied by minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. Because we have multiplication sign here, so we can cut it like this. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 5 1 the 5. Okay. After solving it, we'll get minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, and minus 4 upon 2 will get, plus 4 upon 2 will get, and 2 to the 4. Here is our answer. 2 is our answer. Okay, student? Now students, come to the next question, which is 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 3 upon 7 within bracket minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Okay. See the question very carefully. Okay. See this term and this term. Okay. We need to put these two terms together. Okay. When we rearrange the terms, then we are using commutative property. Please keep in mind. So, 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 7, and we'll write this term, plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5, and this term will go there. Minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Okay. Now, here as we all can see that 2 upon 5 is here and 2 upon 5 is here too. Okay. Now we can see that 2 upon 5 is common in these two terms. Okay. Now we'll simply write 2 upon 5 outside and the leftover term will write inside the bracket. Okay. Now 2 upon 5 we have written outside and we have left minus 3 upon 7. Okay. Plus 2 upon 5 we have written outside, and now 1 upon 14 will write here. Okay. we'll write this term as it is. Okay. Now we'll solve the terms within bracket. Okay, here we are using commutative property, so we'll write by commutative property. It is necessary to write because the question is using appropriate properties. Okay, commutative property. And here we are using distributive property by distributive property. Okay. As we have done the previous question, same properties are using here as well. So now we'll solve the term within bracket. Okay. 2 upon 5, and we'll solve this operation which has been given in the bracket. Okay. Now we'll take the LCM of denominators, which is 14, and we'll write the numerator as it is, and 7 to the 14 plus we'll write the numerator as it is, which is 1, and 14 1 the 14. Okay, minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon 2. We'll write it as it is. Okay, now just simplify it. We'll get minus 6 plus 1 upon 14. Okay, minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Okay, now this is equal to 2 upon 5 multiply minus 6 plus 1 is equal to minus 5 upon 14. Okay, and minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Because we have multiplication sign here, so we can cut the terms. 5 1 the 5, 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the 14. Okay, because we have multiplication sign here, so we can cut the term. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6. Okay. Now after solving it, we'll get minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 multiplied by 1 1, and 2 to the 4. Okay. After solving it, we'll get minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. Okay. Now just take the LCM, which is 28. We'll write the numerator as it is, which is minus 1, and 7 for the 28 minus 1, because minus sign is here, so we'll write minus here, and numerator is 1, so we'll write 1 here. 4 7 the 28. Now just simplify it. We'll get minus 4 minus 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 4. Minus 1 multiplied by 7 is equal to minus 7 upon 28 is equal to minus 4 minus 7 is equal to minus 11 upon 28. We have got the answer. Okay, minus 11 by 28 is our answer of this question. Okay, this is our answer. So students, I hope you have understood these questions very well. So if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like, comment and share too. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and wait for my next video.